The 2003 Dakota. The Dodge Dakota combines form, function, and fun. With its rugged style, well-rounded capability, and seating for 6, the Dakota brings you the ultimate midsize pickup and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, driver airbag, power steering, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag on/off switch, passenger airbag. Come take a test drive today.